Dirty lens.
So these are just metal panels called the Ultra panel. Basically, they had to give a name to the metal based on the ribs, and just the way they're formed, they call these the Ultra panel. It's probably one of the most expensive metals that are out there for no particular reason. It's also easier to install, and maybe that's the reason. But cutting this around the windows was not easy. There are two panels, 1 and 2. They're 3 feet wide, each one of them. They're about 114 inches long, and making sure they fit snugly around the windows was not easy. On the corner of the windows, on the edges of the windows, there's something called a C-channel. C-channeling covers the top edge of the panel that I cut. So any impurities in my cut, if it's not straight or if it's scratched up too bad, it gets covered by the C-channel. At the same time, when water falls on the house, it will come, if it falls onto the window, it's just gonna drip away from the house from the C-channel. Yeah, so this piece here is a drip edge. I installed this all around the house. Water falls from the top, falls here, and then moves away from the house. Now, this piece obviously was completely unnecessary. I just added it on because it helps, it does two things. One, it maybe looks better, but also it helps me make sure all my panels are straight. So, you know, I already had enough of this material, so I decided to put it on. Completely unnecessary because the water, when it's falling, it can just fall straight down. If it's falling 2 inches away from where it would normally fall, it makes no difference, you know. But I think it looks neat. I know it's pretty scratched up right now and sort of filthy. I still need to clean it up after the installation. I haven't got around to cleaning the house yet. Once it's all done, it's gonna look nice. Now, between here and here, my plan is to put wood instead of the metal. And that way, I get a little nice accent, a wood accent. Meanwhile, the rest of the house all over will still be metal. I don't yet know if I have enough metal, so I might have to go and order some more. But I think I'll be able to cover a lot of ground. The big problem that I want to solve today is up there, I have a soffit, and I've been sleeping in the house and it's getting really cold. Yesterday was 32, 33 degrees, which is almost freezing. So my goal is to figure out how to build a soffit and cover it up maybe today. so that air, when it's rising, it's not just free flow of air, it's controlled flow of air. And then on the inside, I'm going to put these barriers between the roof and the insulation, which I still need to put insulation in there. So I think I need to make a move on that and basically get it as far as possible so that it can be nice and toasty in there and I can sleep more comfortably. This thing is more in my way than it's helping. Okay. Pause it. Okay, I forgot to put my gloves on and my hand keeps burning, so. Mission accomplished. Okay, so next we're gonna try to see if it's gonna fit the little window. Okay, I'm gonna lift this and take it to the back of the house, so you might want to.
Is it heavy? Do you need help?
No. Any chance I could get you to hold the ladder at the bottom?
Sure. Uh-oh.
What?
Just seemed like the wall was gonna fall over.
Yeah, it might. You holding the ladder?
Yep.
Thank you.
You go, master.
I'm just gonna go back to the shop, mark some points on the panel. Once I've done that, I'll come back and redo this thing and get more measurements because that's not a lot. Losing my mind. Okay. Anytime it's hard, right? When the going gets tough, the tough get going.
Mm-hmm.
Have you heard that one?
I've heard that one, but it's been a long time and I can't remember all of it.